Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel Math Makes World with Kavita. So today we will solve some more problems based on trigonometric functions. Let us start the video. So here we will solve the first problem. Cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y. So this one we have to show that sin of x plus y. So this is in the form cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So we know cos a cos b minus sin a sin b formula is cos of x plus a plus b. So now we will apply this formula. So we get cos of a nothing but pi by 4 minus x and b nothing but pi by 4 minus 1. So this can be written as cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4 gives us pi by 2 minus take common x plus 1. So we know again sin cos 90 minus, so we know again cos pi by 2 minus theta will gives you sin theta. So hence we have proved the given function value as sin x plus 1. Now we will see another one. So this is in the form tan of a plus b, or you can write directly. This will be the equation. So 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. So this is tan of a minus b. So we can write 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So which gives us 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Take multiple 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x, which gives the RHS. Hence we have proved the given value. So this is because tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a. So tan a, tan pi by 4 value is 1. So we can write directly tan pi by 4 plus x or tan pi by 4 minus x. So if you see this one, so this is in the form cos a cos b sin a sin b. That means we are having a value as n plus 1 x and b value as n plus 2 x. So we have a formula cos a cos b plus sin a sin b gives us cos of a minus b. So if there is a minus, we will have the formula plus. If here it is a plus, then you will get the formula a minus b. So apply the formula cos a minus b. Cos nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. So this nx and minus nx get cancelled. We have cos of minus x. We know that cos of minus theta will be equal to plus cos theta, which gives the RHS. So hence by using the trigonometric formulas, so we can easily solve the problems. So we have to identify for which problem we have to apply the formula. The suitable formula we have to check that. So we will see some more problems here. So we have some more problems here. So if you see this one, this is in the form cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b, which gives us minus 2 sin a sin b. Cos a plus b minus cos a minus b gives us the formula minus 2 sin a sin b. So now apply the minus 2 sin a nothing but we are having 3 pi by 4 sin b nothing but x minus 2 sin this 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. We know sin of 180 minus theta or sin pi minus theta. So pi is even. So we know that here it is sin of pi minus theta. We know sin of pi minus theta lies in second quadrant. So sin will be positive only. So sin theta will get one is pi by 4. So we know the sin pi by 4 value, which will give us 1 by root 2. And this 2 by root 2 will give you root 2. Hence the RHS. Now we'll see second one. Sin square, this is in the form sin square A minus sin square B. So the RHS you can write A square minus B square. So for A square minus B square, we have the formula A plus B into A minus B. Apply the formula A plus B into A minus B. So for each one, we have the formula sin A plus B, sin A minus B. For sin of A plus B, we have 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. This is the formula for first term and for second term. So, if there is plus first sign and cos next will come. For A minus B, first cos and sin next will come. So, cos 6x plus 4x by 2, A plus B by 2, sin 6x minus 4x by 2. So, which gives us 2 sin, this will give you 10x by 2, nothing but 5x, and this will give you cos 6x minus 4x, 2x will get you 2x by 2, nothing but x, and for this term 2 cos, this is also 10x by 2, cos 5x, so this is also 2x by 2, sin x. So write the corresponding angle terms at once. 2 sin 5x. So bring this cos 5x here. And 2 sin x. So this term cos x. So for each and every term we have 2 sin x cos x, nothing but sin 2x. So this will be 5 into 2, nothing but sin 10x, which is the RHS. Now we will see another one. This is also same form. So this can be written as cos A plus cos B into cos A minus cos B. So we will write for this one. So if cos is there, both cos or both sin will get you. So if there is a plus, both cos will give us, and if there is minus, both sin will give us. So this will be 2 cos 2x plus 6, 8x by 2, nothing but 4x, cos 2x minus 6x will give you minus 4x by 2, nothing but minus 2x. And for second term, it is not 2 sin A sin B. This is a special case which we have discussed in last video. So for this minus 2 sin A sin B will give you minus 2 sin A plus B by 2, 2x plus 6x, 8x by 2, 4x, sin A minus B by 2, 2x minus 6x will give you minus 4x by 2, nothing but minus 2x. 2 cos 4x, we know cos of minus theta will be cos theta. So minus 2 sin 4x, sin of minus theta will give us minus sin theta. So this minus will become plus. So bring similar terms at once. 2 sin 4x cos 4x. So this minus will convert into plus because sin of minus theta will be minus sin theta. And second term 2 sin 2x cos 2x. Again these two are sin 2 theta formulas which will give us 2 sin theta cos theta. This will be sin 4 into 2 8x. This will be sin 2 into 2 4x, which is the given RHS. We will see another one. So in numerator we are having cos A minus cos B. In denominator we are having sin A minus sin B. If you see in these two both problems, we have the formula sin A minus sin B and also cos A minus cos B. Already we have applied. So minus 2 sin cos A minus cos B, nothing but minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. 9x plus 5x, 14x by 2, 7x sin 9x minus 4x, 4x by 2, 2x. In denominator 2. So here it is minus, so first cos will come and next sin. That means 2 cos a plus b by 2, sin a minus b by 2. 17 plus 3, 20x by 2 will gives you 10x. Sin 17 minus 3, 14x by 2 will gives you 7x. So if you see here, 2 get cancelled, sin 7x get cancelled. So we have minus sin 2x by cos 10x, which is the RHS. So all these problems mainly based on cos A minus cos B, cos A plus cos B, and sin A sin minus sin B, sin A plus sin B. So you have to be thorough in these formulas, and now we will see some more problems. So now we have some more problems. So for this one, so if you say these two terms, sin 2x and sin 6x, if you add these terms, 8x will give. If you subtract these terms, 4x will give. So we will take the angle by 2 na. So 8x by 2 nothing but 4x. Here it is the term. So for these two terms we are going to apply the formula sin 6x sin plus sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x. So which gives us, for these terms we are going to apply sin A plus sin B formula. So 2 sin 6x plus 2x, 8x. 8x by 2 nothing but 4x cos 6x minus 2x. 4x by 2 nothing but 2x. 2 sin 4x. Now we will take common 2 sin 4x. Cos 2x plus 1. In last video we have discussed about 1 plus cos 2x formula and 1 minus cos 2x also. So 2 sin 4x, 1 plus cos 2x will gives us 2 cos square x, which gives you the required RHS. If there is 1 minus cos 2x, you can substitute 2 sin square x. So we will see the next one. So it is the formula, but we can't express this LHS in terms of RHS. So for that, so we will prove LHS separately and we will prove RHS separately. For this LHS, cot 4x, this is in the form sin A plus sin B, 2 sin A plus B, 5x plus 3x, 8x by 2, 4x cos 5x minus 3x, 2x by 2, nothing but x. So which gives us cot 4x can be written as cos 4x by sin 4x. This is 2 sin 4x cos x. So sin 4x get cancelled. We will have 2 cos 4x and cos x. So this is the LHS part. We will see the RHS part. Cot x. This is in sin A minus sin B. First we will get the cos. 2 cos 5x plus 3x, 8x by 2, 4x, sin 5x minus 3x, 2x by 2, x. So again cot can be written as cos by sin, 2 cos 4x sin x. So we will get the sin x cancel and we will have 2 cos 4x cos x. That means LHS equal to RHS. So you see some more problems now. So here we have some more problems. So first we will write each and every term. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. 3 pi by 2 nothing but 270. When 270 is there, 90 or 270 is there, we have to change the trigonometric function. So in place of cos, we will get a sin. And second step, we have to check the theta lies in which quadrant. 270 plus theta lies in fourth quadrant. We know that. So in fourth quadrant, cos always positive. So we will get plus sin x. And cos 2 pi plus x. So 2 pi, 360 plus theta. When 180 and 360 are there, trigonometric function cannot be changed. It will remain same. 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive, so we will get only plus cos x. And for 3 pi by 2 minus x. This is 270 this 270 we have to change the function. So cot will change to tan, and 270 minus theta lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot and tan are both positive. So cot is positive, we will get plus only. And we will have 2 pi plus x. So it is a 360. The function will not change. And 360 plus theta lies on first quadrant. So we will get plus cot x only. So now we will replace these terms with sin cos and tan cot. So first term will becomes sin x. Second term will gives you cos x. And third term will gives you tan x plus cot x. Sin x cos x, replace tan and cot with cos and sin. Sin x by cos x. Tan will gives you, cot will gives you cos x by sin x. So sin x cos x, take LCM. So LCM will gives us cos x sin x. In numerator, sin into sin, sin square x plus cos into cos gives you cos square x. So this sin x cos x get cancelled, and sin square theta plus cos square theta gives us 1, which is the RHS. And we have another one, sin x minus sin 3x by sin square x minus cos square x. Just apply the formula for numerator only. So sin a minus sin b form 2 cos a plus b by 2. X plus 3x will gives you 4x, by 2 will gives you 2x. Sin a minus b, x minus 3x minus 2x by 2 will gives you minus x. So this will gives you sin square x minus cos square x. Will again can be written as sin of minus theta will gives you minus sin theta minus 2 cos 2x sin x by sin square x minus cos square x. So minus 2. So this minus multiplied with the denominator 2 cos 2x sin x. If you multiply this minus with the denominator, you will get cos square x minus sin square x. And later, which gives us cos 2x. So this cos will get cancelled, and we will have the RHS, which is 2 sin x. So here for this term, first apply sin 4x and cos 2x, sin 4x and sin 2x. We will apply the formulas. So first write in order, cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x. Because if you add 4x to x will gives you 6x, and by 2 will gives you 3x. So for that we have applied for 4x and sin 2x. So if you add remaining terms, you can't give the another angle. So if you add 4x and 3x or subtract, by 2 term will not gives you 2x. And if you add 3x and 2x, if you add or subtract, by 2 term will not gives you 4x. There is only possible for 4x and 2x only. When you add 6x and divide with 2, you will get another angle 3x. So for these type of problems, you have to check by adding or subtracting or applying the formula. By applying the formula, will you get the another angle or not? That once you have to check out, and for that terms only you have to apply the formula. So for these first two terms, in this numerator cos a plus cos b is there. 2 cos a plus b by 2, cos a minus 2 terms. 2 cos a plus b, 6x by 2, and cos 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2 by cos 3x, and for denominator 2 sin 4x plus 2x by 2, and cos 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2. And for this 2 cos 3x cos x plus cos 3x. So for this term 2 sin 3x cos x sin 3x, and take common cos 3x. So both terms will get cancelled in brackets and cos by sin will give you cos, which is a RHS. Now we will see this one. So this tan 4x can be written as tan 2 into 2x. So we will write the formula for tan 2 theta. We have 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So in place of theta here we are having 2x. So 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. Again we have to substitute in place of tan 2x that formula. 2 into tan 2x formula again one more time. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. This will be. So we get in numerator 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. If it see in the denominator 1 minus 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. So 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x. So if you take LCM here 1 minus tan x tan square x whole square will comes you. So 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x whole square we are having. So one term will get cancelled. This will brings you in the numerator 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x. If you see here the numerator already came and we have to simplify the denominator. This is in a plus a minus b whole square form. A square plus b square tan square x whole square will give you power 4 minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. So you can see clearly the denominator having already in the form. If you see clearly the denominator we have minus 2 minus 4 will give you 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. So you will see some. So here two more problems are there. For cos 2 theta we will write the formulas. So if you see second one, total terms are in cos. If you see for first one, it will be in sin terms. So we will write the formula in terms of cos and in terms of sin. These two formulas we are going to use in these problems. So cos 4x can be written as cos of 2 into 2x. Now in place of theta we are having 2x. So in terms of 1, because here first term is 1. So by seeing those two formulas we can apply the second formula because we want 1 minus. So 1 minus 2 sin square. In place of theta it is 2x now. So in place of theta it is 2x now. This will be theta. So apply sin square 2x. So again we know the formula for sin 2 theta which gives 2 sin theta and cos theta. 2 sin x cos x whole square unit. 1 minus 2 square 4 into 2 8 sin square x cos square x. And now we will see second one. Cos 6x will give you cos 2 of 3x. So here theta is 3x. So now we will have 2 cos square theta form which contains all the terms of cos. 2 cos square 3x minus 1. We know the formula for cos 3x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Cos square 3x, so it will be whole square. So again it is in a minus b whole square. A square 4 square 16. Cos cube x whole square will give you 6x plus b square 9. Cos x whole square, cos square x minus 2ab, 2 into 4 8, 8 into 3 24. A into b, cos cube into cos will give you cos power 4x. So So this can be written as 32 cos power 6x plus 18 cos square x minus 48 cos power 4x minus 1, which gives you RHS. Or you can write this problem in terms in another way. Cos 3 into 2x you can take. So this will be now theta. Cos 3 theta formula is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x nothing but 2x minus 3 cos 2x. So 4 cos 2x nothing but in terms of cos 2 cos square theta minus 1 whole cube. 3 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this gives you a minus b whole cube. A cube 2 cube 8 cos square x whole cube cos power x 6x minus b cube. So minus 3a square b. A square nothing but 4 cos power 4 into 3. 12 cos power 4 x b nothing but 1 plus 3a square ab square. So 3 into 2 6 cos square x minus ab square nothing but 1 square. 6 cos square x plus 3. So we will get 32 cos power 6x minus 4 minus 48 cos power 4x plus 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus. So which gives us 32 cos power 6x minus 48 cos power 4x. So this gives you 18 cos square x minus 1. By comparing these two problems, by taking cos 2 into 3x will be simple for you. So you can also do like this also, you will get the same result. So like that you have to identify for which problem we have to apply the formula. I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, give a big like and share to all your surroundings and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you are still not subscribed our channel, first subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Then only you will get the notifications when I have uploading the videos. So stay tuned with our channel. Until then, have a nice day.